You want to start a faceless YouTube channel, but you are stuck wondering which niche should I pick? Don't worry, because I got you. Whether you are just getting started or already owning a YouTube channel, the niche you choose can literally decide whether your channel takes off or totally flop. And in this video, I'm sharing with you the 7 most profitable faceless YouTube channel niches that can actually make you real money. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share a proven framework that will help you pick the perfect niche for your own faceless YouTube channel, and the one that actually makes money. And in addition to that, you will find out which niche have the highest RPM, that is per 1000 views, why some channels make 5 times more money even with the same numbers of views, and how to choose the right niche, because that is very important. Let me give you a quick example. 2 channels both got 1 million views. One made $30,000 and the other one $16,000. Same number of views but totally different results. It's not luck, it's not even editing, it's the niche. But before we dive in, I want to show you something that might change the way you think about YouTube, faceless YouTube channel forever. Imagine this: a football channel get 1 million views in a month and earn $3,000. Now compare that to a car channel, same 1 million views, yes, made $16,000. That is more 5 times the amount made on football channel. So what's the secret here? It's all about the RPM. How much YouTube pays the 1000 views. Your niche determine the RPM. Choose the wrong niche and you will only make a few dollars, but pick the right niche, you could earn 5 times more, sometimes even more than that. That is why in today's video I'm breaking down the 7 most profitable faceless YouTube niches that can actually make you real money. And if this is your first time there, my name is Joseph, and I've been running YouTube automation channels for quite some time now, so I know what I'm talking about. And if there is one thing I have learned, is this: choosing the right niche is the difference between success and failure on YouTube. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because the last 2 niches I'm going to share with you are my favorite niches, and they are the ones that make the most money and they have high RPM. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first person to know whenever I upload a video here on my channel. And alright, let's dive into it. Number 1 faceless niches is car niche. If you are a beginner in faceless channel or YouTube automation, this is your safest choice niche, because cars are timeless. People will always love them. They will always love to watch this kind of video. And the best part, you don't need to be a mechanic to make a car videos. With AI, you can easily create a script about car hacks, vintage models, or luxury cars. Take this channel for example. They made a simple car tips videos and got nearly 5 million views in 1 month, earning $22,000. The car niche is easy, evergreen, and profitable, and anyone can start it no matter what knowledge you have about cars. With AI, Google Nano Banana and Google View 3 will make car videos without owning a car. If this is the kind of niche you want to explore, just get started today. Don't wait till tomorrow. Faceless niches number 2 is body cam niche. This is one of the highest paying niches out there. Yes, a lot of people are already in it, but competition doesn't mean the niche is dead. It means there is still big demand for this kind of content. The winners are simply the ones who make better videos. For example, this channel S4 that focus only on police clip got over 3.5 billion views in a month and earned $12,000. Another Officer Johnson, It Data Crime Stories, got 2 million views and made about $6,000. Both of these channels are making both crime videos, but one is doing both police and dark crime videos, and you could see the difference in their earnings. If you could choose any of these niche, you could still make real money, and both are traveling because people can't stop watching this kind of content. Faceless niche number 3, celebrity drama niche. This is where timing is everything. The big money comes when you cover scandals, breaking news first. Remember the Will Smith slap or big celebrity breakups? That is when channels in this niche blow up. Anna Oak, for example, has over 2 million subscribers. Their videos about scandals and celebrities news get 3 million views a month and bring in thousands of dollars. So if you move fast in what is trending, this niche can be a gold mine. Faceless niches number 3 is vintage niche. This is my favorite. Vintage is broad and scalable. You can create a channel about vintage cars, movies, culture, or even food. One channel I called American before grew very fast hitting 1.2 million views in a month and making about $6,000 and $10,000. This kind of content is evergreen and it is also appeal to older audience. If you want to build a multi-old channels, vintage is the perfect niche you can start with. Christ's niche number 5 is specific movies and shows. This niche targets passionate fan base of popular TV shows or movies. For example, Teen Star Wars, SpongeBob, or The Matrix. The audience may be smaller, but they are loyal and watch every video you upload. For example, a Matrix focused channel called Matrix Explained gained 200,000 subscribers just by explaining the series. Another cartoon channel pulled in 5 million views and about $12,000 in a month. This niche has a low competition, loyal fans, and strong engagement. Make this niche very powerful. Faceless niches number 6 is history niche. This one is exploding thanks to AI. In the past, history channels were expensive because research took weeks before you could make one video. Now AI can dig up information on Vikings, military times, wars in seconds. That's why history channels are posting daily and going like crazy. This channel here, military history channel, got 1 million views in a month and made about $50,000, and the opportunity is still wide open because many people don't realize how much easier it is now. Now you can take this opportunity to get started with this kind of niche. Faceless niches number 7 is search tutorial niche. This is the most reliable niche on YouTube. It's not flashy, but it will bring in steady money for you. These are simple how-to videos and people will always search for how to fix, how to learn, how to solve something. So this channel here earns around $7,000 plus extra income from brand deal. Think of it like a digital real estate. Once a video ranks, it keep paying you like a rent month after month. And search-based content never goes out of style, but people will keep on searching because people will keep on searching. So here is the truth: picking the wrong niche won't just slow you down, it will cost you months, even years of wasted effort. Use this framework to know and understand a perfect niche for you. Can you make a better video than the competitor? That is the question you have to ask yourself. Can you stick with this content long enough? Can you be consistent with this kind of content? Do you have the time and money it takes to create this kind of content? Can you automate part of it with AI? Once you answer these questions, you will know which of these 7 niches is right for you. And because knowing the niche is only step 1 and getting started is the main thing here. Take action and make some money on YouTube. And if you get something valuable in this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out anytime I upload a video here on YouTube. See you in my next video. My name is Joseph.